Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to teach you how I made this easy chicken taco dinner, and if you guys are ready, let's get started. So to get started, we are first going to make our topping for our taco. So over here I am cutting some red onions, so you want to dice them into smaller pieces like I'm doing right over here, and then we are going to add everything that we're cutting into a bowl. So the next thing that I'm dicing over here is my red tomato, guys. So after dicing our tomato, we are going to move on to chopping our cilantro. So guys, now we are done. We are going to go ahead and season our pico de gallo. So the first ingredient I'm adding is black pepper. I didn't have enough salt, so I squeezed in my lemon. So I was waiting for some salt because my brother went to the store to get some. So now that I have my salt, we are going to go ahead and add some salt over here. And after you are done, set it aside, and we are going to move on to marinating our chicken. So for our chicken, I have some thighs, and I'm going to season it with onion powder, cumin seasoning, paprika, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, some creole seasoning, and black pepper. So our last ingredient is our oil, and we are going to go ahead and mix everything together, and we are going to let this chicken sit for about 15 minutes before we start cooking it. So right over here, guys, my iron skillet was heating up a really high degree, so that way it can make the grill max. And after that, I reduced it to a medium low heat, and I covered my chicken, and we're cooking this chicken for about 20 to 25 minutes as we continue flipping it over and over, as you can see in this video. So guys, for everything that I'm using in this video, I'm going to leave it in the description below. I just want to say thank you for watching this channel and for subscribing. So over here, guys, the chicken is ready, and we are going to put it on our carton board so that way it can rest and retain all those juices. You don't want to cut it immediately when you take it off. You want it to rest for, maybe 5 minutes or so. So I am dicing my chicken for my taco. And now that we are done, we are going to go ahead assemble our tacos. So right over here, guys, I already heated up my soft taco shells, and I'm just, laying them, as you guys can see. And the first thing that we're going to do is lay our chicken on there. Guys, this recipe was so simple, but yet flavorful. And my topping, of course, pico de gallo. And I also added some extra topping, which was regular cheese and some sour cream as well. This part is optional, and of course, for garnish, we are going to add some fresh cilantro, and this is how it looks like. Guys, thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing, and I will see you guys next time when I cook. Bye.